Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing well in your life. Today it's my 46th day of practicing spoken English. 1 hour ago, I met with my friend named Satyam Kum. We met on a street, then he invited me for tea in her home. Then I visited in their home, in his home, and he made tea while discuss about topic what we want to do and where are we now. And I told them I am doing job as a health sales executive at the Honda showroom. What you are doing right now? And he said he's a training, he's a trainer in some company. I don't remember. So that after that we communicate and we started communicating in English. Then I saw that I observed that he is improved a lot, and I know him before 3 years ago, and after that right now I just meet him right now, and he's improving a lot, and still he is improving. But the one thing is that he is so hard working and his aim is clear. He is not educated enough, but he have strong confidence, ability to guide someone, and strong confidence and strong communication skills. And right now he also have strong English. Now I felt fortunate when I was talking with, and then he made tea, and after that we enjoyed having tea. Later, when it's come to talk, when it's come to remembered our past, then we discussed about where, how, how were we live when we were in the school class, when in the school and the classes. We used to enjoy a lot when we all were in the same class, same tuition teacher, and we used to play cricket in the morning as well as in the evening when there is holiday. And then right now everyone is busy in their making career or making jobs, making money, and everyone is busy. No one has time to meet with each other. But I decide I will meet all of them. I will invite all of them on my birthday, 23rd November 2004. 23rd November 2015, it's my birthday date. You are also invited for my birthday. Come to the place, Sector 22, Mullahada. Then call me on the number 8800709472. This is my contact number. You can contact me wherever you want to. So now it's 3 minutes 22 seconds completed, and again we discussed about how are we living, how are we living, and I am living as a rent, as a paying rent, and he also living as a rent, on a rent. Sorry, on a rent. I am also living on a rent. Later, he decided that after 1 or 1.5 year, he want to take promotion. He want to take promotion, and he want to earn 35,000 to 40,000 per month. And it's not that easy as it sounds, but I believe in him. He can do it. He is not educated enough. I told you earlier, he is not educated enough, but still he have a strong aim that he, in after 1 to 5 year, sorry, after 1 to 2 year, he will earn 35 to 40,000 per month. And then he said to me that then when the time he achieved, when he will achieve 50,000 per month, then he starts saving. What saving? He start 35,000 per month as a saving, and will collect it and make a home for her, for his parents. and I was stunned to hear this, and I was like, yeah, he has great ambition. But there is one mistake, because he said that he he is starting saving after he will achieve 50,000 per month, then he will start saving. But I told him that you should start saving now, right now, because right now he is earning 25,000 per month, and I said to him that suppose that you are just earning 22,000 per month, 3 3,000 rupees, save it, save it for the future. Think that your salary is not 25,000 per month, it is your 22,000 per month, and use 22,000 and make a proper routine, make a proper budget between 22,000 per month, and then you can see you have some amount after 6 month or 7 month, and it will make you encourage that you should save more. Now it's 6 months completed, still I have 1 minute left, and he asked me about some questions like in interview. And I replied them. My name is Sahaj Bhaskar. I hail from Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. Right now I am staying in section 2. And he after the interview, after the introduction, he told me that you are saying good, you are speaking good, but there is lot of gap in your words, and whenever you speak, whenever you are speaking, sorry, whatever you are speaking, it's not clear. To make sure whenever you are speaking, it is coherent and concise. Okay, it makes sense whatever you are speaking. Now you can see 7 minutes completed. Now still I have 3 minutes left, and after the video recording I will have some lunch. And today my mom cook paneer, sahi paneer with chapati, and I will have this dinner. Then I will go for bed, and before going to bed I revise everything that I have studied throughout the day, and I want to improve. So right now I am working as a sales executive at the Honda showroom. After Diwali, or maybe this year, in 2026, I will shift my job. Nothing matter, nothing matters if I will not get enough amount of salary that Ganpati Honda paid me. Ganpati Honda right now paid me 15,000 per month, but they give me lot of incentive. Like in this month there is 12,000 incentive for me individually, 12,000 per month. Just add it, 15 plus 12, it's 27,000 per month. My salary is 7,000 per month, sorry, 27,000 per month with incentive. And if I shift my job, maybe I will not get enough and close to 27,000 per month, but still I will shift my job, not because of money, because I want to explore more, I want to learn more, where I can grow, learn, contribute positively to the team and the organization. And now it's 9 minutes completed, and I can see my fluency has increased, and my brother is laying down on the roof, and there is soft cold weather, and I should also sleep at the roof, because there is so hot in the room. I am not feeling comfortable while sleeping in my room, so that I think that I should lay down on the roof. Now 9 minutes completed, and I don't know what to speak next, but still I am trying hard, I am improving. And after 365th day, oh ho ho, the one thing that I forgot to tell you that my brother, my friend named Satyam Kumar, he is learning English from past 3 years, and I am learning English from past 3 months. And if if I will uh, I will be learning for 3 years, then you can see great difference in me. Right now, I take too much pause while speaking. I think too much. I take too much time to think. But after 3 years, I will be fluent speaker. Nothing matter. But after 3 years, I will be fluent English speaker. And to achieve this, I will be doing regular practice. I will be doing regular spoken practice by opening the recorder on my phone and post it on a YouTube videos as a YouTube videos. So 11 minutes is completed. Right now I am taking off. Good night and have a sweet dream, and make sure you also do hard work. You must do